My skin has been incredibly dry lately. I really need some relief right now. It's time for some serious self-care, and I'm hoping this Verdant Oasis mask is exactly what's going to help me. I am so excited to finally try the new Verdant Oasis mask. I love how saturated this mask is. It smooths right on, and my skin already feels incredibly comfortable and deeply moisturized. Just use this Verdant Oasis mask. Wow, my skin is so hydrated and refreshed.